Action? Yes.
Namaste, Vanakkam. Since about 11 o'clock this morning, all of us, which is members of the working committee, the ATDC, and those of us from the Auroville Foundation that have been a part of this, we've been having a very fruitful, meaningful discussion, deliberations for over 6 hours. It's about 5:30 in the evening now. We've all been trying to really look at how to quickly, firmly, and in a very beautiful manner address this issue of fulfilling the dream of the mother of actually having the crown, which has come to be an important and essential connecting element that defines Auroville, along with the uniqueness of this very beautiful city that she had envisioned. In fact, we have got a great deal of clarity, common understanding of what does the crown stand for, what are the features, what is the purpose, what is the sensitivity, what are the possibilities, and even some flexibility if there is an absolute imperative need, and how do we really work towards making this happen by all of us coming together, hearing our concerns, suggestions, inputs, our joys, our expectations, our happiness, our celebration at making this crown manifest itself as we march towards the beginning of the 150th anniversary of Sri Aurobindo, whose philosophy and mother's devotion, manifestation, her Shakti, Swarupa, has made this beautiful city happen and take shape, of which all of us are very, very proud and very privileged residents. We invite each one of you to join us this Saturday as we collectively, all of us, we're going to have a walk, walking the crown, and it's called a walk and talk across the crown. We will be starting at 7 o'clock from the Savitri Bhavan. You're all invited to join us, after which we plan to congregate, assemble at the Unity Pavilion, and over some lunch which we'll all share together. The idea is to discuss different aspects of the crown so that as a befitting tribute to Sri Aurobindo, as we begin the celebrations of his 150th birth anniversary from the beginning of this new month that starts in a day, how do we really make this dream of the crown manifest, but with a great deal of harmony, a great deal of collaboration, goodwill, sensitivity, with dignity, listening to all our points of view, and yet giving in, being generous, and making this dream really take shape. So on that note, again, I want to thank all the members of the working committee, the Auroville Town Development Council, all the stakeholders with whom I've had the privilege of interacting, all the incredible, amazing people who have made and built this beautiful city called Auroville over all these years, and all of them who really manifest that dream, that philosophy of Sri Aurobindo, and how collectively we now move forward in making this dream happen. So see you all there on Saturday at 7 a.m. and later on the day. Thank you. Vanakkam. Namaste.